What's up everybody to a new video. So in this video, it's part 8 of trying to get 475 keys so then I can buy paintball guns. Basically I have 317 keys right now. And we have a member from the group praying with us today, Ari. You guys haven't seen Ari in a pretty long time because he hasn't been in my videos lately. But today you guys are gonna be seeing him because he's what let me How did you get medkit on that account? Oh yeah. So yeah, you guys just watch me cook, and please smash that like and subscribe button because I'm trying to get 800 to 100 subs before the end of the year. So please smash that like button. And yeah, that's all I'm gonna say, and that's the end of the video. So yeah, I'm just gonna stop the yapping and just watch me cook, guys. So yeah, guys, it looks like today's not my day again. I just don't because I'm tired, bro. I'm tired because like I just came back from a sleepover, so I really don't like feel like doing a lot. But yeah, I'm still posting because I'm doing my 7 week posting streak. Well, 9 days, 9 week. Oh yeah, like so yeah. We're gonna win this match. We have to win. So yeah, I'm just gonna stop the yapping now. So yeah, guys, 2 more matches and boom, that's gonna be the end of the video. Yeah, so it looks like we've been cooking, bro. Thank you. Do you have Roblox? No, bro. I am broke, and I'm broken. Plus, I gotta save up for the giveaway whenever I reach 3K subs. Cause guys, remember what I said? When I reach 3K subs, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. I might. But I'm not gonna face review. I'm not gonna face review until 500K subs. So yeah, I'm just gonna mute myself and enjoy the montage again and watch me cook a damn so hard.
You didn't know face review yet?
No, yeah. So my friend Ali just asked, am I gonna do face review? I'm not gonna do it until I reach 100K subs. Yeah, so when I reach 100K subs, I'm gonna be doing a face reveal. For now, yeah, guys, I'm not gonna do a face reveal.
Mr. Marty, you only have one. I'm lagging, so I can't really keep going, so you might have to cancel.
They're low anyways, bro. They're actually low. They're actually low, bro. No, they're both one shot. They're both one shot. Oh my god. Yo, they were both one shot. Are you loaded? Have you loaded yet?
No, bro.
Oh my god, bro. This man talking. Oh yeah, he's dead. He dead. What is this man doing, bro? What is this man doing? Yo, I'm actually curious what the level 39 was straight up doing, cause like, yup, you suck. Yeah, go climb. Go cry, monkey. Oh my god, bro, I'm too good, bro. I'm too good. I'm built different. Oh, now he's using RPG because he sucks. I'm the RPG master, bro. And he lost, and he died because he sucks. Where's this? Watch my timing, bro. Oh, nah. Oh, yeah! Spam different. How is that spam? Spam would be like, no. Addy, watch out! Oh yeah, he sucks. If I... Yo, he just teabagged me, bro. Yeah, watch this, watch this. I'm teabagging him. Oh yeah, teabag.
Now can I go in?
Not yet, bro. Yeah, so yeah, that's what she... So if y'all mess with us, bro, I'm a teabag you. Why is bro thinking he's better than me, bro? I might purposely lose the match just to use that so I can cook this man. But no, I'm not doing that because yeah, you suck. You suck, bro. So guys, that's gonna be the end of this video, and yeah, it's gonna be the end. And please like and subscribe. My goal is 800 to 1K subs before the end of the year. And yeah, and you know what I'm gonna say? Easy.